The watches that are shown in this video and or any watch that I review on this channel are not counterfeit. I do not and will not ever knowingly review any counterfeit watches on my channel. YouTube policy defines counterfeit items as follows. Counterfeit goods contain a trademark or logo that is identical to or substantially indistinguishable from the trademark of another. And YouTube also defines further that they mimic the brand features of the product in an attempt to pass themselves off as a genuine product of the brand owner. None of the items I review on this channel meet either one of these requirements. I do not review items that are identical in any way to any brand or that attempt to pass themselves off as a genuine product of the brand owner. These items are all purchased legally and are publicly available to anyone to purchase themselves. To the best of my knowledge, all of the watches that I review are made by companies that have done their research to make sure that the items they sell are legal. I do not produce these items, I only review them. Once again, the watches you see in this video and any watch you see on this channel reviewed by me is not and are not counterfeit items as defined by YouTube policy.
Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Today I have a watch that I'm going to go over, and before we get started, I just wanted to shout out to my current subscribers and say thank you guys so much for all of your support, liking and subscribing, all your thumbs up, comments, everything. You guys are helping me grow this channel in record pace, and I could not be happier about that. Today I just reached 520 subscribers with my last video, and I could not be happier about that. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys taking the time to view and enjoy my videos, and I'm glad you like the content. If you want it to keep on coming, please make sure you do keep giving those thumbs up. Liking and subscribing really does help out the channel. And if you are new to the channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that, please make sure you go over, give those thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because I am Dave the Watchman, and that's what I do here on YouTube. You can also check out my website, themselves.To, where you can see all the watches that I review here and some watches of interest, and I provide affiliate links for all the watches I review. So if you do like any of the watches that you see me reviewing here on the channel, you can always click on that affiliate link and head on over and buy one so that you can have one of these watches for yourself. They are affiliate links, so they do send $1 or $2 over to me if you do decide to purchase. It doesn't cost you anything more to do it. I just get a commission out of the sale. So, without further ado, let's get into the watch that I have to review today. Today, I have a beautiful, beautiful Seiko 5 that came in yesterday. I just did an unboxing on this watch, and today I'm going to dedicate a little bit more time into this actual watch so you guys can see what it is all about. It is a beautiful, beautiful watch. I really do love this aqua color. I don't know what you guys think about it, but I really love the greens on these watches. The aqua colors, really, I love them. This watch is a Seiko 5. It's the SRPK33 watch, and it is a stunning watch. I mean, for me, it's kind of a little bit small for my wrist. I prefer the larger watches, so this is a smaller case, but nonetheless, very, very beautiful watch. This thing's stunning in its appearance. I mean, it is a really, really nice watch. And guys, the quality of these Seikos, if you know anything about watches, Seiko has great quality watches. These things are really well crafted. I love these Seiko watches. Very, very, very nice watches. This one, it boasts the 100-meter water resistance. And one of the nicest things about this watch, and one of the things that I always love, it is a mechanical automatic movement with the sweeping second hand. But one of the things I really, really, really do love, especially about the Seikos are such great quality, and I love when they do the exhibition backs on these things. Look at that thing. That is just beautiful. A beautiful, beautiful way to display. They put their logo on that. The counterweight in the back. It is, like I said, an automatic mechanical, so you wind it and then you put it on your wrist, and it just keeps it wound. Just a wonderful, wonderful watch, and I love those exhibition cases. This thing has the brushed stainless for the band. Very nice band. Really, really great quality watch. When you wind it, it's just such a satisfying wind. I mean, this thing is great quality. Just the way Seiko is. Seiko is just amazing. Their watches are just awesome. And I don't work for Seiko. I don't get paid by Seiko. I bought this watch with my own money. I buy my own watches. I am not sponsored by any of these brands. I do get affiliate commissions. Like I said, if you guys decide to buy this, I will get a couple of dollars out of the sale, and that's pretty much where it ends. Seiko doesn't sponsor me. Amazon doesn't sponsor me. Nobody sponsors me. I buy these watches with my own money and give you my own honest opinion of these watches. So if I don't like this watch, I'm going to tell you that it's a plain and simple. I will tell you the honest opinion of any watch that I review. And if you decide to buy one, that's up to you. You can head on over, click on that link. And like I said, if you do buy, I get a commission. If you don't, then I don't. But I just tell you the truth about these watches. And I'm telling you, this one is a great watch. It's got some good weight to it. Really nice craftsmanship. Always love the Seikos. They're such nice quality watches. It's a 4R36 movement, which is a mechanical automatic. It has the Hardlex crystal, which means that it's going to stand up to scratches very well. It's got the stainless steel case, the day-date format. It's the unidirectional bezel, which I always prefer as opposed to the bidirectional bezels. So this thing only goes in one direction, and it's really, really solid. Has no back play in it. So when you go, it stays wherever it is. It's very, very tight. Nice, satisfying feel to turning this bezel. It is a really great quality, great constructed watch. Day date, like I said, day date format, and it does tell you the day in 2 different languages, so you can pick the language that you want. So very, very nice watch, great quality construction. You can't say anything bad about these Seiko watches. They're just wonderful watches. And this is a beautiful, beautiful looking timepiece. So, like I said before, 100-meter water resistant, Hardlex crystal, automatic mechanical movement, which is the 4R36 movement by Seiko. You can't go wrong with it. And the wonderful, wonderful exhibition back. This is just a great watch all around. You can't go wrong with it, especially for the price. Right now you can pick this thing up for less than 250 bucks on Amazon, and that is a deal. So I will post a link to this in the description below. It will also be available on my website. The affiliate link will also be available on my website, so you can head on over to themselves.To and see any of these watches that I review on the website and click on the affiliate link there. But yeah, if you guys want to pick one of these things up, click on that link, head on over to Amazon right now. You get one of these guys in your watch collection for less than $250. I am definitely happy with it. It is a wonderful watch. Like I said, it is a little bit smaller than some of the stuff that I typically wear, but still fits the wrist nicely. It's a great watch. It'll make your collection shine. It's a Seiko, so it's a great quality built watch. And honestly, it looks awesome on the wrist. Guys, that looks really, really sharp. So, if you like it, like I said, I'll post a link in the description below. This is the Seiko 5 SRPK33, and you can pick it up for less than $250 on Amazon right now. So, till the next watch review video, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that, please make sure you do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos. And you can also head on over to themselves.To and see all the watches I review here with affiliate links, so you can pick up any of these watches for your own collection. So until the next watch review video, I am Dave the Watchman, and I hope you guys have a great week. See you next time.